Hello guys, welcome. Today's basically what we'll be talking about is hack. Okay, today we are not taking you to see a car or a particular car, but today is just basically a hack we're discussing. Now this hack today is there's a particular button in your vehicle. If you have a vehicle, just take a look around inside the vehicle. Yeah, you'll see a button where they wrote cruise. Like this button here, cruise. Now what this button does is like, let's say you accelerate this car to this 40 or 60 and you just want it to remain like that. You don't want to stress yourself, you don't want to accelerate again, you just want it to be like steady like this and be moving on a smooth road, guys. Now what you do is you touch this button right here, this, and it comes on. Once it comes on like this, you remove your leg from the pedal, from this acceleration pedal, and don't touch the brake. You understand? Because the moment you hit the brake, it goes back to normal and you have to accelerate and be going. So as long as you've not hit the brake, the car still remains at that 60 and it will be moving. And guys, it is advisable that you do it on a smooth road. You know why? Because like bumpy road, you have to be hitting the brake and the accelerator and all those stuff, so you can't actually get a clear or good result while you're doing that. So what you need to do is actually, once you're on a smooth road, you hit this button here and maintain. If it's 60 you want to go, if it's 40 you want to go, if it's 80 you want to go, but safety comes first. You understand? So once you hit it and you hit this button, it will just take you and you'll be going smoothly. But the steering, you have to hold the steering, unless you want to lock your steering. That's on a smooth road too. You lock your steering, you position it straight and lock it, and that's the story for another day. So today's basically is about this cruise button, what is actually meant for. Thank you guys, let's try it out first. So guys, I'm on a smooth road. I will hit this button and leave it. I removed my leg is not on the accelerator, it's still on 20. You understand? Let me hit the brake. You see, it went back to 0. That's what happened, guys. So while you're doing this, you have to be safe, on the road. Thank you guys, that's what I have for you for today. Thank you.